press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Masterclass. And for today's masterclass, I created this really beautiful emerald green look for Ganesh Chaturthi, which is right around the corner. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I hope you guys like this look and this video was helpful. If it did help you, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.